Hey, this is Jason Moss with the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. Just want to give you an update on some of the great events that we've got lined up to serve the manufacturing community throughout the state of Georgia. On Friday, May the 17th, we've got two networking events. We've got one in Alpharetta for a morning event, and then we've got a lunch event over in Cobb, both on Friday, May the 17th. Our next tour is going to be of a company called Nanolumens. Nanolumens manufactures flexible LED panels. We're going to be able to tour both the manufacturing operation as well as the headquarters and their display room. Really cool technology that's used all over the world and based right here in Georgia. In June, our first factory tour is going to be of a company called SMI Composites out here near the Athens area. And SMI manufactures carbon products. They actually do all the carbon fiber for Corvettes and Camaros. So if you see carbon fiber on either of those, it came from the SMI facility here in Athens. And they also do aerospace and medical devices as well. Now in June, later on in June, we're going to be going back down to Savannah and tour one of our most in-demand factory tours, and that's of Daniel Defense. If you're in firearms at all or want to see how great firearms are manufactured, we're going to be touring Daniel Defense on June the 19th. And that is going to be a members only tour just because of the high demand. That thing typically sells out pretty quick. So if you're interested in going to see 300,000 square feet of some of the finest manufacturing in the space, that's a great one to go to. Also, in June, we'll be having our networking events the third Friday of each month, which is June the 21st. We'll be doing both Alpharetta and Cobb, followed by, in July, our first factory tour in July will be of Olympic Steel. We're going to tour both the Winder and the Buford facility. It's two tours in one from 9 to 1 o'clock that day. Great opportunity to see steel and steel fabrication, and as a major supplier to manufacturers all around the state, Olympic Steel is a great partner with us as well. Also in July, we're going back down to Savannah and we're going to tour the Georgia Port. Now, if you've never been to a tour of the Port of Savannah, man, it's a very impressive operation. And it's one of the ways it keeps Georgia the number one state to do business that we've got for the past 10 years. So that's one of our secrets to the sauce there is our Savannah Port. So I'd encourage you to go online and register now to any of the events that work in your calendar. If you go to georgiamanufacturing.com, go to the events tab and then upcoming events. We look forward to seeing you at some of these events. See you soon.